using RMM dashboards and other tools to track supporting metrics for SLA monitoring. Service level agreements, or SLAs, define the services MSPs and internal IT teams are expected to provide. So having an efficient monitoring system for SLA metrics strengthens client trust and enables consistent service delivery. In this video, we'll explain how you can monitor SLA compliance. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Monitoring SLAs directly from RMM dashboards. The fastest way to understand SLA performance is by utilizing the dashboard of an RMM software. With a centralized RMM dashboard, you can track key SLA indicators like device uptime, patch compliance, ticket resolution time, and the status of critical services, such as antivirus and backup software. Instead of pulling reports manually or jumping between tools, you can view all SLA metrics from a single console, using PowerShell to monitor critical SLA metrics. PowerShell enables MSPs and internal IT teams to track system uptime, service health, and patch status. PowerShell scripts can run on schedules while feeding data back into your RMM. For MSPs, PowerShell can also standardize monitoring across environments. Here are some PowerShell scripts you can use to monitor key SLA metrics. Verify critical service uptime by querying the Windows Defender Firewall, MPS SVC. PowerShell script to log ticket response delay to the event log. Using CMD for basic SLA performance monitoring and logging. Command line tools can quickly check network connectivity, service status, and system uptime. While CMD-based scripts can only run basic commands, they can be useful for simple monitoring or logging tasks. You can use some of these example CMD scripts to track SLA metrics. Restart Windows Update Service. Log ping status to verify endpoint connectivity. Checking registry values for SLA configuration tracking. You can access important keys and values via the Windows Registry to improve service delivery. The Windows Registry allows you to verify configurations related to SLA compliance by running scheduled scripts, triggering alerts, or logging events. To check if Windows Update is disabled on an endpoint, to check if the backup agent is installed locally, leverage group policy to enforce SLA compliant settings. You can also use the Group Policy Management Console to apply settings that improve SLA compliance for domain-connected endpoints. This includes settings such as enforcing update schedules, ensuring critical services are running, and configuring audit logging. Test GPOs in a controlled environment before applying them at scale to avoid misconfigurations. Streamline SLA monitoring practices with RMM tools. Monitoring SLAs allows MSPs and internal IT teams to ensure efficient service delivery and resolve issues before they lead to downtime or SLA breaches. RMM platforms provide comprehensive visibility and control, while also allowing IT admins to automate metric SLA tracking and meet SLA expectations. For more information, check out our official blog post on using RMM dashboards and other tools to track supporting metrics for SLA monitoring, linked in the description below.